So alright guys, now that front end is completed. It's on there, both sides. I got both sides in. Now I can start putting, I gotta take the rotors in and have them turned. And I did scratch a few pieces on this side, so I'll just be doing touch-up paint on this side. But it's fine. It'll be fine. But man, that front end is coming along good on that car, guys. Brian stopped by on me here today.
Hello.
So since he's here, I'm gonna try to put you to work. All right, so I'm gonna set this up here, and then I just want you to see if you can get the bolts. Hold that real quick. Let me step in here. See if you can get those bolts started. Uh-oh. Started? Alright, start the next one. All I need is them started. Alright, that's good. Yep, that's all I need. Look at that!
That wasn't too hard.
You stopped by, you're a lifesaver. I'd have scratched it all up trying to, just little things you need a little help with, you know, so.
Yeah.
I've been waiting on somebody to stop by, and
You have to pick the day, huh?
you had to pick the day, so
Yeah.
that'll work.
So what frame is this for?
The 70 Wildcat,
Oh,
this car.
okay.
Yeah,
Frame looks a lot nicer than the body right now.
frame looking nice. Yeah, you still have to build that stand and everything to get the body on there, to hold the body up. Because I normally take my frames out from the side. I have it going east and west against the wall. But getting old. So, Brian, I want to put the engine and tranny in the rear end. So, like once I get the rear end on it, I'm going to paint all the firewall and up under the bottom this same color too.
Yeah. The red?
Yeah, so then I'm gonna pull this out, start there, rear end on it, engine tranny, then I'll push it on up under there. Alright, so putting this brake arm on, let me show you here. I got this stuff new, so this back bushing, that indentation part, this part is going to stick out, so it's going to go on there. Then the opening here fits around the opening here, so that's going to stick through there. Now I'm looking at this, and by this being all new, it's probably not going to press up in there that easy. So, for one, you're going to have to have your front steering axle here, spindle. You're going to have it turn all the way one way or the other, otherwise you're not going to get this to fall in here. So I don't know if they have a special tool for this or not, but you see these holes are way off here. And I have hardly no room up here at all. So what I'm figuring, that I'm gonna try to press this in here, try to push it up, but I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think I'm strong enough, guys. So what I'm hoping here is that I can put this on here, get this come out just enough. I'm gonna push this. By this being new, I'm telling you guys this. Alright, so I got a couple of turns on there. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do is just tighten this down and pull that rod forward, guys. That's the only way I'm seeing I'm gonna get this on here. Alright, so then I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna just start tightening this down. I'm gonna leave this flush. And hopefully this is gonna squeeze in far enough. This thing keep trying to turn on me. Alright, I'm gonna
Diane just called and said they done run all kind of tests on Robert, but they still can't stop him from bleeding.
What? Alright, so I noticed that's as tight as I can get it. So I push this back. The A-arm, it'll twist a little bit. I don't have it tightened down. So now I'm gonna just put I just got an extension for the socket in here. And I'm gonna pry this. And just get that to fall in there. Okay. So now it's in there, now I can put the nuts and the washers, put the nuts and the washers on, and this side is in. Then I gotta torque the other side, and I'll torque these down too when the time comes. So, alright. Alright, so I got my little torque wrench here, and this first bolt is 80, and this top one is like 150. So and this one here is 90. So I gotta tighten all of these up. And this top one is 150. Alright, so now this is all tight. Got to get the cotter pins in here. I got to torque these down torque this down, and then most of this will be ready here. All right. Alright, so I got everything torqued down now. I still got to order up shocks for this baby, front and rear. I'm gonna start greasing this up now. And like I said, I'm not tightening up all of this because you got to have weight on the car so you don't twist the bushings. So some of the stuff will not be tightened. And you know, I retorque these once I get them on, get the engine, get everything on there, and I'm gonna let whoever do the front end alignment tighten all this front end up. Like all of this stuff, it's not torqued and tightened. I got it tight, but it's not tight. It's still tight enough where to twist. So I want whoever do the front end for me to, you know, torque everything down, tighten everything down for me. So